Hello everyone, and as always, thanks for joining me today in my shed. And I am planning on painting this heat shield that sits above my exhaust manifold. It's actually a test. If this turns out pretty good, I will also paint my valve cover in this heat resistant black. I really recommend using heat resistant paint, because your regular paint usually takes about 50 degrees Celsius and you really don't want to go above that temperature, and I'm pretty sure an exhaust manifold and its heat shield get pretty hot. So the instructions say I don't need to use a primer, I can just put it straight on there, but obviously I need to do some preparations, just sand it and degrease it before painting. I'm only gonna paint this side because you don't really see this side of the heat shield. So I finished sanding it as much as I wanted, and you can see some cracks. I'm not really gonna worry about it, just putting a bigger washer on top of it, because this exists out of two layers. You can see that very good right here. So it's still pretty strong and sturdy. I'm just gonna keep it like that, and again it's just a test. Fine if it looks good, and if it doesn't, I know what to do the next time. So I will put some degreaser on her first, because you can't really paint without degreasing something. Some brake cleaner always works. Alright, that's all the prep work. So when spraying heat resistant paint, it's very important to read the instructions on the back of the can. And this is saying to just spray from 25 up to 30 centimeters away. And also after spraying you need to let it dry for about 1 hour, and after that you need to heat it up. And that's the tricky part. You need to heat it up to, it's saying 160 degrees Celsius, and that for 30 to 60 minutes. Alright, it's been about half an hour. I used a small butane burner, as you can see. I have plenty of gas in storage, so it wouldn't be a problem to leave this burning for a while. At the beginning I used this digital temperature meter, but unfortunately it stopped working at 70 degrees Celsius. So I have no clue how hot it is. but I think it will be fine. The paint is looking pretty good right now. Very nice matte finish. So I'll leave it for a few minutes, then I will let it cool down. I will make sure to put some photos of the end result when it's put in the car at the end of this video. Please make sure to like this video, and I would really love it when you put down a comment. Just say me whatever you think of these videos. Feedback is always welcome. Anyway, until next time.